Oh yes, perfect. Now, time to put into a microwave. Yes, I put bee's bone into the microwave. Now I'm going to. Oh crap! What have I done? I blew up the microwave. Oh my god, Bada! What the heck just happened? We heard an explosion coming from our kitchen. And second thought, where was my phone? Well, you are going to be pissed off when I tell you this. I put your phone in the microwave and then the microwave blew up. Oh my god, Bada, how could you ever put my phone in the microwave and blow it up on our microwave? Now I need to get another phone along with your microwave because of you. That's it. You're ground to your show stop for babies. Go to your room now.
I hate that hedgehog.